What is TCP client mode? Secure device server configured as TCP clients can initiate contact with a host PC running TCP server program and transmit data to it securely over a network. TCP client mode can be simultaneously connected to up to 16 host PCs, enabling them to collect data from the same serial device at the same time. How to configure TCP client mode? The following procedures use SN3002P as an example. 1. Using an UL modem cable, connect the SN serial port 1 to a serial device. 2. Using an Ethernet cable, connect the SN's LAN port to your local network. 3. On a host PC, use IP installer utility to discover the IP address of the SN3002P. 4. Using a web browser, enter the SN3002P's IP address, and log in. 5. Under Serial Ports, click the Edit button of port 1. 6. Under Properties, configure the necessary serial communication settings to match with the connected serial device. 7. Under Operating Mode, select TCP client from the drop-down list and enter the IP address of the host PCs running TCP server programs and their ports. 8. Optionally enable the Secure Transfer option if you want the data to be encrypted and transmitted securely over a network. Note: when Secure Transfer is enabled for secure connection, every connecting serial device must be connected via another SN device, in TCP server and with Secure Transfer enabled. How to test TCP client mode? Using PC1 as the TCP server and PC2's COM port as a serial device, presume the settings of the SN3002P have been properly configured. 1. On PC1, use TCP test tool, a third-party utility, to send or receive data to or from PC2. 2. On PC2, use PuTTY, a third-party utility, to configure its serial communication settings, as illustrated below. 3. On the PuTTY of PC2, you can enter any text to test if it can be received by the TCP test tool of PC1, as exemplified below. Note: conversely, you can also enter any text on the TCP test tool of PC1 to test if it can be received by the PuTTY of PC2. Thanks for watching SN3000 series TCP's client mode.